How to fix the always on display lock screen only shows a black background. So if you want to have a colorful background on the lock screen here, then first let's return back to the home screen. And from the home screen here, you can see I have a colorful background. So you need to swipe down and tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. Next, tap on always on display, tap on the left hand side panel. Then we go down and tap on show lock screen wallpaper. Tap on it and turn it on. Then if you go to your lock screen now, you can see on the always on display, it will display a color background instead of a plain black background. And that's it. Because of that particular features that has been turned off, that's causing the lock screen to display a black background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.